This is my first attempt at making a burger.
Okay, so basically I put the butter in the microwave. So that way you can get ready to toast the buns. You get a little bit of the butter on the bun, and then you toast it. And then you add some stuff to the meat, and then back to toasting the buns. I flip them sometimes. I'm not going to be using chopsticks the whole time. Oh, hey, look. Now they're like brown. And that's the buns. GG. And now to the patty. So, it may be partially turkey because, like, I'm cutting, And, like, by the way, do not use turkey. Like, even if you add egg and stuff to it, like, still kind of falls apart, but all good, though. Just like for anyone else trying to make a turkey burger. The meat takes a couple minutes to cook. If you add butter to it, it sizzles, and, like, that way it's easy to move around. So next time, add butter at the start. Wow. Oh, hey, look. It's suddenly much more cooked than before. Huh. And like I said, it's, like, mildly hard to move. We're all good. 'Cause I got it. Now it's time to flip it. Just to cook the other side a little bit. See, that's a pretty nice brown, I think. This tasted pretty good. I just ate the turkey by itself, though, because the rest of it kind of fell apart. And now I'm making the special sauce. And I actually added a bit too much vinegar, but hey, all good. Because you can just add more mayo and ketchup and relish to it, so that way it's better. And yeah, a little bit of sugar. See, now it's, like, you want to get it to be a little bit more solidy, though, and orange. And now it's on to the tomato. I got a little bit hungry, so I took a couple slices for just to eat. Oh yeah, don't forget to wash your hands and all this. Sanitation is key, otherwise you're gonna get, like, salmonella. And now it's time to assemble everything. I got the special sauce, got the tomatoes, got the lettuce, got the patty, and we got a pretty good burger going on here. Also, I may have made the tomato slices a tad thick, so I had to take one out. See? All good. And that's how you make a burger.
The pressing issues of this first burger that I made was the first part was made out of turkey. The patty should not be made out of turkey. I just didn't have enough beef for that moment. The second issue was I toasted both sides of the buns, which should not happen. Only one side should be toasted. The third issue was I forgot to add bacon or eggs. The fourth issue was that I added vinegar and not enough mayo and ketchup to the recipe for the special sauce. So I'll work on that.
After a lot of hard work, finally got to the best attempt I've had so far. This was the burger I made after this attempt using this recipe. First, I'll make the breadcrumbs to help bind the burger patty together. This recipe to help make the patty. Add an egg. Mix thoroughly until it's like Play-Doh. Then add spices like parsley, pepper, salt. Heat the pan slightly before cooking. Ideally, you want the inside to be brown, not rare or anything. Then we cut some tomatoes. I use this link to find my burger toppings, like the tomatoes. Add half a cup of mayo. Then add a 1/4 cup of ketchup. This is the recipe I use for the special sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar and also an 1/8 cup of relish, pickled relish. Fry up some bacon in the pan. Duplicate the bacon. Use the grease to fry an egg. Sunny side up. Now we finally assemble the burger. Let's check out the review from
He's
Asa Dude.
allergic
Wow.
to eggs!
Very delicious.